Hello, ladies. How are you today? And today I want to talk to you about the real reason you are not organizing your bedroom closet. And I am Deb. You are in the office with Deb, and I am your personal home consultant, your decluttering person, your home organizer, and the queen of household hacks. Now, I thought I'd talk to you today about what's the real reason behind you not getting started on your bedroom closet. You've got some clothes out of place, or you're not happy with the arrangement when you got your clothes in. You're like, this isn't working anymore. I don't like it. I need to change something in here. Maybe I'll do it by color, or maybe I'll do it by length. You're kind of like, okay, I'm going to think on that, which one I want to do. And maybe you're one of those that you keep shoving everything in the closet. I know I do when people are coming over. I shove it in the closet to hide it and make it look a little neater. And you're just wondering, oh my goodness, I really should do it. You open the closet door and you're like, ugh, not today. Not today. I just don't feel like doing it. Not today. No. I get it. Now, so you're thinking to yourself, you're thinking, what is the real reason I'm not organizing my closet? Yeah, I've got other things to do. We all do. We're running businesses. We've got kids. We've got husbands or partners. We got doctor's appointments. We've got all that going on. Homework, this, that. Perhaps you're taking a class, or some personal developments. You're doing some personal development training. Whatever it is, we're all doing that. We're all doing all kinds of things. We're always busy, and we want to have time for our friends. We want to have time for our families. Women do it all. That's us. So, but what is the real reason? What is it that we're not getting in that closet and getting it done? Is it the lack of motivation? Is it the overwhelm with a big project? Is it because it's just not that important on the list? Here's the list. This is the bedroom. This is the business. This is the family. All this is more important. What is it? Is it really the lack of motivation? I got you thinking now. Part of it, yeah, part of it. Part of it is we're so busy. Part of it is it's not the biggest thing on our to-do list. Part of it, you'll even look at half of it and say, oh, I'll do this half today. And you're like, ugh, I really don't want to do that. I really don't want to start it. I think it's just a matter of, it comes down to two things, but it could also be just a matter of, I really don't want to do it today. I really don't see it. It's not, people can't really see it. The door's shut. It looks okay when they open the door. It doesn't look that bad yet. So you're like, you put it off. And we're all guilty of that at one point or another. We all are. Everyone does it one point at a time or another. Now, yeah, part of it is motivation. And part of it is, yeah, there are certain days when that closet will absolutely bug us and we have to get in there, get it done, get it started, because you're like, I'm done, I had it, I want it done. And most of the time, sometimes that just doesn't hit us to get it done. It might if it was the kitchen, and you see the kitchen and people are going, family members looking for spoons, fork, and you're like, oh God, I want it organized in there. I don't want them looking in there and seeing my mess. That's different. Or the kitchen drawer will bug you when you're cooking. You're like, oh man, I need to take 5 minutes, yeah, 5 minutes and just get it organized. Hey, Karen, nice to see you. I need to just take it and get that utensil drawer organized because people are going to see it when they come in the house, when I go in the drawer to get utensils to offer them a piece of homemade cheesecake or whatever it is. So yeah, that will hit us first before something hit us and inspire us to get the organizing done before the closet, because the closet, nobody's really going to see it other than you and your hubby in your bedroom, and maybe the kids walking in and out, and kids don't care. So what do you think the real reason is? Is it lack of motivation, lack of inspiration? I don't see it. It's not on my high priority list. I just don't want to take the time to do it. I'd rather have fun right now and work my business and get that done, because that's the most important to me right now. Because the real reason you're not getting that bedroom closet organized is because you just really don't want to do it. And yes, sometimes we feel like that. Whether we want to admit it to ourselves, we really just don't want to do it. I've been there. I really don't want to do it. Last year, it was my kitchen cabinets. I really didn't want to clean the baking cabinet out because it's the worst cabinet in the kitchen. I had to get motivated to do it. I had to create a challenge in the group. We did a challenge in the group. Then I got motivated and got it done. I had to work around my mental block to get it done. I had to do it with you, and that helped. So I want you to think about the real reason that you're not organizing your bedroom closet, because there really is a reason behind it. And most of the time, it just comes down to the fact, I just don't want to do it. And that's okay. We don't have to do it. It can stay hidden until it bugs you. And when it bugs you enough, you'll get it done. It's okay. And I want to stress that enough. If you don't want to organize it, it's okay. Would it look better organized? Yes. Would it feel better organized? Yes. Would you feel better you organized? Yes. But sometimes it's not the highest thing on our list. So I wanted to keep it simple and quick, ladies, today. Now, the kitchen group starts October 3rd for a month. It's a monthly program and a special group and a separate group. And there is a bonus right now of 2 extra weeks if you join before September 28th. So keep that in mind. And let me know. Why aren't you organizing your bedroom closet? Thanks, ladies, so much for your time. Bye.